Right, I'm even designating one slide towards Axie Infinity right now, because as we move along in the cryptocurrency hemisphere right now, there are all new industries even being created and ecosystems being created that aren't even really connected to cryptocurrency as we knew it before. So this new game, Axie Infinity, extremely popular already in the Philippines. Like Philippines, 100 million people live in the Philippines, and like most of these players, there's now 1 million players of this game, and a lot of them are from the Philippines. So you're talking about like potentially as much as 1% of an entire country's population are playing this one game right now, Axie Infinity. So with the enormous variety and potential of cryptocurrency, entire standalone ecosystems are popping up. So this game, play-to-earn games could be a game changer for the developing and developed world. So like I was saying before, Philippines, developing country, massive potential for people to earn money by playing a crypto game. This is pretty much unheard of until very recently. This game came out in 2018, but it hasn't really gone parabolic until starting really this year, going properly parabolic now, as it is now. Many new jobs and investing opportunities within crypto include DeFi, decentralized finance. This is loaning. This is smart contracts within crypto. So DeFi means that in the future, people can get loans in crypto. Everything is on a smart contract. Everything is automatically paid. Everything is automatically set up without needing a traditional bank, a traditional key holder in a way. Like banks don't have so much power anymore if all of these things come to fruition. So DeFi, staking. So right now I'm staking many of my cryptocurrencies in Crypto.com. I'm staking them in FTX. All these platforms tend to have their own native coin. So Crypto.com has their own native coin, CRO. FTX has their own coin, FTT. You can stake these coins. On FTT, you get the bonus of it. If you're staking 150 FTT, you get free transfers and free withdrawals. So that actually saves a lot of money now, because on Crypto.com, I tried to send some Ethereum, and just the transaction fee, no matter what the amount of Ethereum is 0.008 Ethereum, which right now is $24. So that could be a large fee. If you're sending less than $100, then obviously that's a big percentage of that. Okay, incredible variety, great platform for crypto. I use Crypto.com for my staking and holdings. So most of my coins I'm spreading across. Crypto.com has good staking rates, has good perks, has a payment card even. You can now use Crypto.com's payment card when you spend money, when you go to an ATM, when you do many things. You get rewards, and you can get to the very top. You can get to the very top of the Crypto.com rewards. You get as much as 12% cash back on your spending, which is obviously ridiculous and a lot better even than I think like any credit card I can think of right now. So that's what you get cash back on your traveling, on your ad spend. The possibilities of that alone can be arbitraged, can do many things. Yeah, so that covers Crypto.com staking. You get really good rewards on Crypto.com, so that's what I'm trying to make clear here. You get free Spotify, free YouTube. They give you so many perks to be staking on Crypto.com. It's crazy. Amazing opportunities right now. Crypto.com is sponsoring the F1. They're sponsoring UFC. This company is going places like crazy right now. They're well regulated. They're doing all the things right now. Okay, spread across different platforms. Crypto.com, FTX, Binance. There are many. Kraken, Coinbase. Plus perks, $25 bonus, Crypto.com, FTX for trading. So like I said, reduced fees bonus. I sent some Ethereum with FTX I didn't pay any fees because I'm staking 150 coins of FTT, which is FTX's native coin. And right now, that's worth about $7,500 as of right now, of around $50 per coin on FTT. But that saves you a lot of money if you're constantly moving money to other people or you're moving it to different wallets. Saves a lot of money there. Okay. So, and also this is important as well for Indonesians or for anyone who's in Bali. For Indonesians, withdrawals straight to your bank account can use Pintu or Indodax. One day, same day to bank account. So same day can go from Pintu Indodax into your local bank account or another bank account.
Yeah, but you need 1 million.
Minimum, yeah.
The withdrawal fee is 1 million.
Indodax. Yeah, Pintu doesn't do that. Pintu is much cheaper. So Pintu is much cheaper than Indodax, I've gathered now. Yeah, Pintu is really good actually. I'm a fan. I've only been using them recently. So, but I did a withdrawal already and yeah. So Pintu made it into my bank account same day as withdrawal. So that was nice and low fees. Quite a low spread, not zero spread, but I didn't lose too much money on the spread either. So that's okay.
But if you have BCA, now you can use Binance.
Okay. So that's another one as well. So basically, you want to find the best and cheapest way to trade coins, to withdraw coins. You can trade them with other people. You can have your own agreements where you send X crypto, receive X dollars, any of these things. So in general, when looking for new platforms, do research on. Okay, these are all things you need to know when you're trying to sign up to a new broker. So are they regulated and insured? So which country are they regulated in? This is really important. Like if they're regulated in Singapore, Hong Kong, UK, USA, these countries all have a lot more sophisticated regulation standards. So you're a lot less likely to get scammed if they're based in these countries, but it's by no means a guarantee. So a lot of shady companies can still be operating in all these countries, but generally you would be a lot less likely to get scammed. So that's good. So are they regulated and insured? All the big providers should have insurance. So customer accounts are insured. If the company has catastrophic loss or server failure or any other risk with the platform itself, then you're insured and your money isn't disappeared into thin air, okay, or to some scammer even. Okay, do they offer sign-up bonus? If yes, get a referral link. Tell your friends about it. So if you refer your friends to Crypto.com, if you refer your friends to Binance, FTX, anything, any broker that does an affiliate program, another good source of income even. A lot of people do affiliate marketing. Do they have a good reputation and great reviews? So it's important. Research this online and ask in communities. So don't just trust anything just because it looks good in the advertisement. Do your research. Do your own research always. Ask people you trust. Does their fee structure suit your investment style and needs? So, e.g., day traders. So if you're a day trader, you're getting in and out of trades fast. You need something that has low per trade fees. This is very important if you're a day trader. Or are you long-term holding only? If you don't day trade, then cost per trade isn't really that important to you because you're holding most of the time. Some people want more leverage, but don't get too carried away, especially if low experience. So Binance, FTX, you can use leverage. You can get 100x, 200x. Be very, very careful with that because you will get liquidated very fast if you're in leverage as high as that. So you need to be monitoring these trades and be very, very careful. But some people love doing that.